What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sasha P back at it again, bringing you real gardening, good food, and entertainment. Welcome to my channel. Y'all, it's early in the morning. I done did my spaghetti squash. Y'all, this is the easiest way to do it. Wash it off, wrap it up in some foil, and stick it in the oven in your cast iron. But put some water in the bottom of your cast iron. My cast iron is very dry right now. I just put some water in the bottom. See, that's why I did that. And you're going to have a little brown color on one section. That's fine. You're not going to be eating the skin. And it's going to give a little bit of color. It's fine. But y'all, cutting those squash up, cutting it in half and doing all that, that's too much, y'all. You're going to get the same result if you put the whole thing in the oven. No seasoning, no oil, no nothing. Now at this point, what I did, as you can see, there's no seeds. I took the seeds out already. I used a fork. I'm fluffing my spaghetti squash. I'm going to put, I'm not sure what I'm going to put on my spaghetti squash. I do have spaghetti sauce though. I don't know, I want to do something easy. I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to do too much to it. You see that? That's why I put the water in the bottom. Because if you don't put no water in the bottom, it's going to burn. That's just a little, Because truth be told, I could have took it. I could have taken it out earlier than this. But I didn't. But it cooled completely. It cooled basically like for some hours. Actually overnight. Because it was real hot. You cannot put this in the refrigerator. Well, you should not put this in the refrigerator while it's still piping hot like that. That's not safe. It'll spoil on you. Ooh, child. Let me get on to my recipe and do some with this spaghetti squash. But yes, this is the easiest way to do it. Roast it, hold on, 375 for 2 to 4 hours. It depends on the size of the squash. This squash was not that big. I've had bigger than this. But spaghetti squash is good. It's healthy. It's yummy. It's in season. You can find it. So get some spaghetti squash. Y'all go and grab one. Yep. Okay, I want to give y'all another angle. I scraped the spaghetti squash. You see how it's like brown? Like it almost looks like caramelized onions on one side. Now, mind you, you're not going to be eating this. This is the other half, a better angle. Now, I almost burnt this if I would have let it go a little bit longer. But yeah, I probably want to take it this brown. Personally. But anyway, yeah, that's it. This is what I ended up doing with my spaghetti squash. I seasoned it a little bit and then I put some spaghetti sauce and then I put some Parmesan cheese on top of it. And I put it back in the oven for about 20 minutes and then I turned that off. And I pulled it out. So it was in the oven for like 25 minutes on 375. No meat. Yeah, guys. If I would have had some mozzarella cheese, I would have definitely put some mozzarella cheese on there. But I don't have any. So this cheese ain't as stringy as I would like. But yeah, this is what's for dinner, part of our dinner tonight. Spaghetti squash with tomato sauce and Parmesan cheese. It's hot. Look. Okay. I gotta tweak this recipe. But anyway. Okay, this is the final product, y'all. I had to do a little something to that because it was a little bland. So I had to go in and I put some more basil. I don't know if I put that in there first. Basil on top. Italian seasoning on top. Cheddar cheese. I didn't put no more sauce on it, but it needed something. And then I also put some of my favorite seasoning on there. Garlic pepper seasoning. And I sprinkled it, and I know y'all gonna try to tussle with me in the comments, but I did sprinkle just a little bit of sugar on top of that sauce because it was really, really, really sour. It needed some balancing out. But anyway, I'll do this recipe again in full later. I'm still playing around with it. But this is spaghetti squash. The finished product for real.